Yo, what's up everybody? It's Alex here. Today we're diving deep into 10 tech tricks that you probably wish you knew sooner. Trust me, these are game changers. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just trying to navigate the digital world a little more efficiently, I got you covered. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with a super practical hack. Using your smartphone as a document scanner. Gone are the days when you needed a bulky scanner to digitize your documents. Now, with just a few taps on your phone, you can achieve the same, if not better, results. Google Drive has a built-in scanning feature that's incredibly powerful and easy to use. This feature is often overlooked, but it's a game changer for anyone who needs to scan documents regularly. Just open the Google Drive app, tap on the plus sign to create a new document, and select Scan. It's that simple. No need to download any additional apps or worry about compatibility issues. Point your camera at the document, snap the picture, and Google Drive will automatically detect the edges and crop it perfectly. This ensures that your scanned document looks professional and clean. It even lets you adjust the color and contrast to make it super crisp and clear. You can enhance the readability of your documents with just a few tweaks. And the best part? It saves directly to your Google Drive. This means you can access your scanned documents from any device, anywhere, anytime. No more emailing files to yourself or struggling with clunky scanner software. The convenience of having everything in one place is unbeatable. It's just there, ready to go. Whenever you need to scan a document, your smartphone is always within reach. So ditch that old scanner taking up space on your desk and embrace the power of your smartphone. You'll thank me later. Trust me, once you start using this feature, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Let's talk about laptop battery life. It's something we all worry about, especially when we're on the go or in the middle of something important. That dreaded low battery notification always seems to pop up at the worst possible moment. Whether you're in a meeting, on a flight, or just relaxing at a cafe, it can be a real mood killer. But fear not, because I'm about to drop some knowledge that will double your laptop's battery life. Yes, you heard that right, double it. It's all about making two simple tweaks: brightness and battery saver mode. First up, brightness. This is one of the biggest power drains on your device. Your screen is a huge battery hog, so turn it down a bit. You'd be surprised how much power you can save by just lowering the brightness a notch or two. Even a small adjustment can make a big difference. It might take a little getting used to, but your battery will thank you. Next, let's talk about battery saver mode. This feature is often overlooked, but can be a game changer. Most laptops have a battery saver feature that limits background processes and dims the screen a bit more. It's like giving your laptop a mini vacation. It puts your laptop into a low-power state without sacrificing too much performance. You can still get your work done, but with less power consumption. Some laptops handle it better than others, but in most cases, you'll barely notice a difference. It's a small change with a big impact, especially if you're just browsing the web, checking email, or doing some light work. These tasks don't require much power, so battery saver mode is perfect for them. Two simple tweaks that can double your laptop's battery life. You're welcome. Now go ahead and make these changes to enjoy a longer-lasting battery. 13. We live in a cloud-based world, and storage space is precious. But you can get a ton of free cloud storage without spending a single penny. Most cloud storage providers offer a free tier with a limited amount of space. You've got Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and more. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, spread them out and take advantage of multiple free storage options. Sign up for free accounts with various providers. You'll be amazed at how quickly those gigabytes add up. There are tools and services that can help you manage multiple cloud storage accounts from a single interface. So before you pay for a premium cloud storage subscription, take advantage of the free tiers out there. You might be surprised at how much storage you can get without spending a dime. Let's talk about remote control clutter. You've got your TV remote, cable box remote, sound system remote, and maybe even a streaming stick remote. But you can ditch all those remotes and control everything with your phone. Your smartphone is basically a universal remote control in disguise. Apps like AnyMote and Peel Smart Remote use your phone's built-in IR blaster to send signals to your devices. Just download the app, follow the setup instructions, and you're in control. No more digging through the couch cushions looking for a lost remote. Say goodbye to remote control clutter and hello to the convenience of controlling everything with your phone. Is your computer feeling sluggish? Taking forever to boot up? It's time for a digital spring cleaning. First, get rid of unused programs. Head over to your control panel or system preferences on a Mac and uninstall anything you don't use regularly. Next, tackle those startup apps. Disable any startup apps that you don't absolutely need running in the background. Clear out your downloads folder, empty your recycle bin, and run a disk cleanup utility. These are all quick and easy ways to free up space and keep your computer running smoothly. Trust me, your computer will thank you for it. Extending Wi-Fi range, banish dead zones. Weak Wi-Fi signals are frustrating. The secret weapon? Wi-Fi extenders and mesh systems. Wi-Fi extenders capture the signal from your router and rebroadcast it to hard-to-reach areas. They're inexpensive and easy to set up. For larger homes, a mesh Wi-Fi system is the way to go. Extending your Wi-Fi range is a surefire way to improve your internet experience and eliminate those frustrating dead zones. Is your phone constantly nagging you about storage space? It's a common problem that can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you need to capture a moment or download an important app. Do you find yourself deleting photos and apps just to make room for a software update? This cycle of deleting and reinstalling can be exhausting and time-consuming. Our smartphones are like digital black holes, constantly filling up with photos, videos, apps, and who knows what else. It's like a never-ending battle to keep your storage in check. But before you spend your cash on a phone with more storage, let me show you a few simple tricks to free up space on your existing device. These tips can save you money and make your phone run more efficiently. First up, let's talk about cache. Cache files are temporary data stored by apps to help them load faster. Over time, cache can build up and take up a surprising amount of space. You might not even realize how much storage is being used by these hidden files. Clearing your cache is super easy. It's a quick way to free up space without losing any important data. Just go into your phone settings, find the storage or apps section, and look for the option to clear cache. This can instantly free up several megabytes or even gigabytes of space. Next, let's talk about those apps you never use. We all have them. Apps we downloaded on a whim and then forgot about. Go through your app drawer and delete anything you haven't used in the last few months. Be ruthless. If you haven't used it recently, you probably don't need it. Finally, let's talk about photos and videos. These files can take up a huge amount of space, especially if you love capturing high-resolution images and videos. If you're running low on space, consider backing up your photos and videos to a cloud storage service like Google Photos or iCloud. This way, you can keep your memory safe without clogging up your device, and then deleting them from your phone. This can free up a significant amount of space and make your phone run smoother. That way, you'll still have access to them whenever you need them, but they won't be taking up valuable storage space on your device. With these simple tips, you can keep your phone running efficiently and say goodbye to those annoying storage-full messages. Let's talk about productivity. There's no better way to boost your productivity than by mastering keyboard shortcuts. I'm talking about those next-level shortcuts that will make you feel like a keyboard ninja. For example, use Alt+Tab to quickly switch between open windows, or Ctrl+Shift+T to reopen a tab you accidentally closed. These shortcuts might seem small, but they can save you a ton of time and effort in the long run. Once you learn them, they become second nature. You'll be amazed at how much faster you can work when you're not constantly reaching for your mouse. Our online privacy is more important than ever. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to level up your online security is by using a VPN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, and it creates a secure tunnel for your internet traffic. This means that your internet service provider, government agencies, and hackers can't see what you're doing online. There are tons of great VPN services out there that are both affordable and easy to use. Once you've chosen a VPN provider, download their app, install it on your device, and connect to a server. It's that simple. Let's talk about automation. There's one tool that reigns supreme: IFTTT. IFTTT stands for If This Then That, and it's a free service that lets you connect all your favorite apps and devices to create custom automations called applets. For example, you can use IFTTT to automatically save your Instagram photos to your Dropbox account, or turn on your smart lights when you arrive home. The possibilities are endless, and you don't need any coding skills to get started. If you're looking for a way to streamline your digital life, check out IFTTT. So there you have it, 10 tech tricks that I'm willing to bet you wish you knew sooner. From boosting your phone's battery life to unlocking free cloud storage to becoming a keyboard shortcut ninja, these tips and tricks are all about making your tech work harder and smarter for you. Go forth and level up your tech game. Which hack was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, tricks, and reviews. Until next time.